dahil yung sakit po nila ay hindi po matitreat doon sa mga ospital.
May I know what condition that is?
Like cancer,
We treat cancer in government hospitals.
gaya po ng PGH.
Gaya ng DOH hospitals.
PGH is DOH hospital.
No, it's not a
No?
DOH hospital. It's a University of the Philippines hospital.
So hindi na po siya yung parang government hospital like before.
It's a government hospital, but it's a university-based hospital. It's not under the Department of Health. It was never under the Department of Health.
Okay. Ano-ano po yung mga ospital na
Madami
pwedeng
tayong misconception, ano?
ng
Madami
ating
tayong
mga kababayan
misconception.
kasi po akala lang ang PGH ay under din ng DOH. at
Hindi
sa
po
government
under, so that's the job of the media to tell people that the Philippine General Hospital is called UPPGH, University of the Philippines, Philippine General Hospital. It is under the budget of the Commission on Higher Education. Hindi siya budget ng Department of Health.
So ano-ano po yung mga ospital na ito para po yung mga kababayan natin, alam na nila kung saan po sila pupunta para sa zero balance billing.
Ang matagal na po nating inanunsyo, nasa website po ng Department of Health ang listahan ng DOH hospitals sa lahat ng region ng Pilipinas.